Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? I am back, and I just figured this out. Well, if y'all didn't know, up there, over there, the door is open to the gummy thing, so anyone can go in there as long as they have the 20 thing. I'm gonna show you this. Also, you can finally jump on this. Get up here. Here, come over here and grab that ticket and just admire that. Oh my god, that looked like money at first.
I just realized that. But really, you just gonna let my iPad sit there and you know what's gonna go do?
Well, you didn't get it. It's your iPad.
You know you're finna go do it, so why you just sitting there?
I was making a video. Making a video. I also said, go check out her channel. I didn't know what channel, so I didn't say it. Well, what channel you on? Please tell me so they can check it out.
No.
But you don't got no videos, that's why you don't want to go.
I do have videos, I'm just not telling you.
Let's go, guys. So, I am here with my cousin Amira. The Gut G store. Let me open up the shop.
Let's see what you're doing.
Just bought me this backpack. Let's see how much another snippers.
Canister.
Look at.
Whoa.
This man got all legends. Oh my.
He got the coconut.
I also finished this quest, so I can finally look at that and get money.
I'm finna go find him and tell you he has it.
He got the coconut. Oh, dead. I'm just dead. He got that coconut canister. Coconut canister. Why you smell like your mom? Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Your mother has a super gay. My shot B has been level 4. I just gave you a breeze. Just in case nobody got it, I'm giving y'all another breeze. And 2. Come to Daisy Field. Dandelion Field. I'll put a glitter. Come on. Takes forever for it to load back. That's what I hate about it. Gummy. I'm using it all so I can get the gummy thing. Oh my god, look, the whole field is filled up.
What gummy thing? Gummy bee?
No, yes.
That's not what you do.
No, I want the badge. Let's go, you're gonna die. You're gonna die, stupid thing.
I'm gonna find that dude.
I can hold 3. Oh, so the girl.
Gifted.
Come on. I say it's almost done.
This is lucky.
Hurry up.
He's real lucky. He got a gifted windy bee.
A gifted windy bee? I thought it just went up to a windy bee and legendary windy bee or something like that. Hurry up, come on. We got this. Come on, take. Why is it not taking a lot of damage?
Let's see, puppy bee, tabby bee.
I have so many snowflakes, I don't know what to do with them.
I have more.
I'm giving you a breeze.
I don't want no breeze.
What does it even do, for one?
A windy bee.
Give you a windy bee?
No.
I'm gonna say, ooh, I want that windy bee. My canister is full. My canister, keep fighting on it. Cause I need to go empty my canister. Oh, our backpacks are not enough. I'm almost getting the 5 thing. I only need 1 more egg. It costs $6,000.
Oh, come on. I was just gonna be cool, but
don't kill it. Don't kill it. I'm making honey. Come on, babes. It doesn't take you that long to make honey, does it?
We're gonna find the person with the coconut. There he is.
You got the coconut canister. Coconut canister. Coconut, coconut, coconut canister. Coconut canister. Coconut canister. Coconut canister. I love your coconut canister. Coconut canister. Coconut canister. Coconut canister. Coconut.
It's full.
I just got a present.
I have to jump to get mine.
I don't. I was in the ground. I was laying. I was just.
Hold on, man. Don't destroy that sprout down here. Thanks for the water jelly. Hey, yo, this dude over here taking everything.
I hate when they do that. It kind of gets on my nerves. And then when you text it, tell them to wait for my friend, they do it. I'm like, bruh, what the freak? What? Oh, I found 1,000 honey, a ticket, and a treat put in the same spot. It looks so cool. It looked like a super challenge. You gotta use your last one. There you go. He keeps getting. Slow. The balcony kind of is the room because it's close to the room.
They never listen. That's why they should get banned from every game. That's if they want you to stop it.
They should get banned for not letting their friend get something. Wait. I gotta go empty my backpack. Tell them to wait. Friend emptying backpack. Just say that. Oh, yep. Now I have oh my god, I have $11,000. Oh no, the game's crashing. Never mind. At first the game was crashing. I need some tickets so I can go buy me a golden egg. I need to learn some, It's about to die, it's about to die. This is
Mine's full.
Dang it, mine isn't.
Actually, I'm gonna empty it with my microphone.
I have a micro converter too, and I used that other one.
Oh,
ooh,
I have
it's about to die. It's about to die. It's about to die. Let's go. 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 Oh. No, the game's frozen at first.
Just barely get hit. Here he go, taking everything.
Here we go, taking everything from me, and I can't even get anything. Oh, bruh. This man already taking stuff from me. I'm a noob here.
This dude is dumb.
What? Because of you. Why you say because of you?
I said my friend can't get nothing because of you.
Then, cool, leave. No. Report him. Report him. I just got. Ooh, I'm at 31,480 and 489. So guys, I'm gonna go buy me another egg. Let's go. And I actually can hear you if I didn't have these earbuds in. So now, please. Guys, the game froze. Never mind. There we go. I need to fix that bug. There's a bug in the game. Ooh, I can buy 3 eggs. I bought 3 basic eggs. 3. Oh my god. I've not bought 3 eggs before in Be Sworn. 1. Shut up with the basic egg. Big. 2. And 3. Bet. I can go on the 5. Let's see how many bees I have. I have 7 bees. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm finally getting my stuff back. I have 7 bees. I can go to the next rank if I just get 3 more. 7, 8, 9. Wait, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I'm right. Am I right? 4. Let me use this field dice. Yes, Cloverfield. I will come back to you. Cloverfield. I'm going up to the 5. Let's see. Let's go kill the spider. Come on, bees. Kill them. I was just standing there like it ain't nothing. Come on, kill it. He's following me. Kill the freaking... Oh my god. 1. I'm using the breeze. Kinda helps. You took everything from my friend. Come on. Ow, I'm gonna die.
Where are you?
I'm up at the spider field. I'm trying to kill the... I meant spider field. Help me. Help me.
Hey, that's illegal.
Yes, I won. I can't turn my screen. There we go. Huh.
He got wings.
Let's see. I'm gonna go to the snowman. The game froze. There we go. I hate that. I gotta fix that bug. I gotta ask on it to fix that bug. I can't. I can buy 10 things for 10 tickets. 10 gumdrops for 10 tickets. Turn off that. I'm keeping my stuff. Oh, I see you. I see you, Roy Jelly. I see you. You ain't hidey. You ain't sneaky. I see you. But I don't know how to get you from here. I gotta go around the other way. Great. Do this. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go in here. The secret hideout room. Forgot we had. And then I'm gonna get this and come out. Bro, the game keep lagging. I didn't even get to claim all my stuff. What the 5 presents? My favorite. Whenever it's still Christmas and you say, what the 5 presents is going on? One time somebody said in the chat, what the 5 presents is going on? Ooh, the snowman. I can finally do the snowman task from polar bear snowman.